Welcome to Python for Data Science for Absolute Beginners. If you have learned basic Python and you are now wondering what to do next, this course is your next step. Python for Data Science. This course is designed for beginners who don't need machine learning knowledge and don't need advanced math. You only need basic Python and curiosity. So, in this course, what you will learn, what data science really is, uh, how to use NumPy for numerical operations, how to use Pandas to work with real data sets, and how to clean and explore data and to use visualizations. And we will finally do a mini real project with data analysis. This is not a machine learning course and not a deep learning course. This is a foundation course that is for absolute beginners. To get maximum benefit from this course, you have to code along with me, pause and experiment, and the practice assignments what is given in this course, and don't rush through lectures. Data science is not about memorizing code, it's about understanding data and asking the right questions. So let's begin your journey step by step. And this course will be of 2 hours to complete. Are you ready and excited? Grab your coffee, open your laptop, and let's write some code.